Why isn't it focusing? Nope, it's still not working. Here we go. So what's up, everybody? We are in Seneca, right? Seneca? We're getting ready for just some Halloween stuff. We're gonna be passing out candy. Gina's got this idea to paint her face. How do you want to paint?
A gangster clown.
A gangster clown, but not Joker-esque. It's more like
It actually is kind of Joker-y, just not like the movie Joker, not like green and red.
But like that's what the Joker is.
Yeah, but the Joker, like on a deck of cards, he's black. Like he has black face.
Oh, okay, I get you. She is getting started.
I'm just doing my makeup right now.
Yeah. She's using this, she doesn't really have like an ideal makeup mirror, so this is what she's working with right now.
Yeah. It is what it is.
She's just using what she's got at this point.
I use this mirror every year. It's been literally probably like 8 years.
Jeez.
Maybe not 8. Maybe, because I used to dress up. Maybe like 4 or 5 years. It's so hard using this brush. Clearly, you can tell that I'm not using the right brush, powder brush, because I forgot my foundation brush or yeah. Let's just say I'm not happy about it. He doesn't like country music. I love country music.
I do not like country music. There's nothing about country music that makes me want to sing along with it. Not even a little bit.
It's sad.
That's just how I feel. So, if you want to hate me for my dislikes of country music, you can go right ahead. So tell them step by step what you want to do here with your makeup.
I don't even know. I'm kind of just going for it. I literally am just winging it. Or, I mean, right now I'm just doing my regular makeup routine.
Okay.
But, what? I hate this. I like the most frustrating thing in the world.
So she's doing her regular makeup.
It's trying to play soccer with a basketball right now is what I'm doing.
Ugh.
You can't do it. It's wrong. You could do it. It's just wrong. He used to play soccer. Still kind of plays soccer, so that's why I had to put it in
I could play. If you put it
terms.
If you
so
put
he
it
understood what I
if
was
you
going
make
through.
sports analogies are pretty much the way for me to understand anything that I don't understand. So she's putting her regular makeup on right now, and then she's putting this stuff on. So it's kind of Joker-esque, but Joker like card game Joker, not Joker like Batman. Batman.
The Batman.
The Batman. Come a little bit farther in the process of painting faces. I actually haven't started yet, as you could already tell. But Gina has, and it's looking pretty good so far. You can't really see because the mirror sucks. But she looks good.
It still looks kind of weird.
I'm gonna be doing, what do we call it? Just a skull? Just a skull. I'll show you guys. This guy went all out and he's wearing like a tux, but something along the lines of that. But we'll figure it out. We'll play with it, see how it goes. I gotta start putting this makeup on. The white tube stuff. This stuff. So, here we go. Let's get it started.
I look way eviler than I was going for.
And I just got white face.
Okay, now I'm gonna like set his face so it doesn't go everywhere. Mine is going everywhere right now though. You look at your nose.
I did originally have my nose painted, but then we realized what I'm going for doesn't like require.
It makes your nose look so much bigger.
It does. Oh my god.
Okay, we be back. We be back.
I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good too.
I will do your makeup one day. That's gonna be a video.
Doing my makeup? Oh yeah, we could do one like that.
You heard it. That's staying in. It's proof. What?
I said I do love me some Michael Jackson.
Okay, this is about to get dark real fast.
I think the first time I saw Michael Jackson, I was in like 3rd grade.
I was a so big.
Yes, I am aware I have a big nose.
You guys just gonna sit out here and pass out candy?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't think we can participate
We
anymore.
can. We definitely can. They have like Jello shots and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Like people
Alright.
have like adult.
Oh, I like
Trick-or-treating.
that.
Yeah, they have adult trick-or-treating here too.
Ooh, okay, alright.
But it's pouring.
Does it matter?
Okay, so I've added some blood to my face. And Brandon's over here finishing up his look. He's starting to look better compared to when I was doing his face.
And I'm using both hands.
Yeah. You can use both hands. It's pretty weird actually. Go over here. I want to add blood to your face.
You could if you want.
Make your eye bleed.
I just I'm trying to get this outline so it doesn't look like.
This is making me itch. Like, it's just like, ugh.
I can't do my eyelids.
Why?
I can't keep it closed and do that at the same time.
Aunt Margie just come on.
This is our finished product.
Natalie, Aunt Margie just come on.
Natalie.
She called you Natalie.
82 degrees there.
Who? Oh, that's not fair.
Terrible.
My Aunt Margie lives in Arizona. And
I don't look
apparently
that
it's
scary.
82 degrees right now.
Well, you guys could
You actually
comment
look
on
pretty
who
good.
looks better. She did hers herself. I did mine mostly myself.
Yeah.
As you can tell, she looks pretty damn good.
Okay, but mine is very simple. And if you look close, it doesn't look very good.
But the point is, you're not supposed to look close. Just look it from a distance, and you just know that.
You look really good from a distance.
Yeah, I do. But then if you get really close, it's not that good.
I just got a huge raindrop on my head.
This is where did you get this makeup from?
Walmart. Walmart.
Walmart. We did our best with Walmart makeup. So.
Yeah, okay, so this is what we got going on today. We got trick-or-treaters coming around. We finally finished.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You're the honest I'll ever be. I'm so sorry I never stayed.
Saw him in half. He's trying to saw you in half.
Kaiser, come on.
On me?
Yeah. Hi, Kaiser.
How am I gonna pass out candy?
Just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the
This is our like fourth bowl of filling.
means we've been here before.
Oh, look it, we got the beast. Where's the beauty?
Right there.
There she is. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Oh. Happy Halloween.
Drop that one. I got you.
I don't want to drop them. Happy Halloween.
It's so cold out here.
Yeah, it's quite chilly.
It's about how cold would you say it is before I look at my phone?
I think it's probably like 40 degrees.
40 degrees? I'm gonna say like
My blood is
38
like coming
degrees.
off.
Oh nice, 46.
Oh, it's actually not that cold. 46 degrees.
Ooh,
We
babe.
have gone through so much candy. I know. So, we're over it. It's cold and it's not fun. And I'm hungry. I really want to eat. The neighbors, I guess, are making tamales. So it's gonna be good. My shoulders look huge. Yeah?
Trying to stay active out here on Coldest.
Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost.
Alrighty, well, it's officially getting dead now. There's like no people.
It's getting dead and not any warmer.
No.
Yeah, I'm in
It's
the
pretty
picture
darn
here.
cold.
They're just a bunch of jerks. You know, what can I say?
Yeah?
They don't know we're not related. I'm sorry, but they are. They are.
Would you like some candy?
Yeah. No, thank
no
you. I
thanks.
had enough candy. Appreciate it.
Hey,
Go, 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 Cubs.
you right. Go Cubs. I got that on film
Oh,
now.
you got it on. You got proof now.
He's a Sox fan. Alrighty,
I
well,
don't like
made the
baseball.
wrong- I'm sorry. It's the Sox. Chicago White Sox.
no. No,
Is that being
no.
recorded?
Yeah.
Hi. My name is
What?
Jason.
Jason.
We didn't get the volume of, I guess
Your eyelids look funny.
for the weather that we have, we got a pretty good turnout.
Yeah, we did.
We pretty much are down to just one bucket.
Yeah, but we still have 2 more bags. We usually go through like 8 bags in like an hour. It's been like 2 hours and we went through like 4 or 5. So,
I'm happy with the result.
yeah, it was pretty good. But I can't wait to take this off my face because it's kind of itchy.
Me too.
I'm
I
going
keep
inside.
having to sniff on my nose and like wipe it, and then I just see a bunch of paint on my hands.
Same.
So
I have paint all over my hands.
it's whatever.
It is what it is. We're
It's
gonna
for the
go
kids,
eat.
right?
Yeah, for the kids. We're gonna go eat. It's gonna be great. I'm
What are we gonna
excited. There's tamales, ribs. I don't know what else. That was only 2 things that caught my eye. Yeah,
But that's how you know how it's cold, dude.
yeah. There's hot dogs.
We're really
Oh.
trooping it. We have a couple
Yeah.
dance videos
Yeah.
we might be able to put up, or you could just find on another platform.
Yes.
You guys will find out next time.
Next time
No, you guys will.
we'll have already seen it.
You guys will see it soon.
Okay. You're nuts. Bye.